Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix notification not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this solution? So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not miss any steps. So fix this problem. Do not waste any time. First of all, you have fixed this issue. So you have flight mode turn on and off. So one time you have on and off on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have do not disturb mode is turn off and on. So you have again open the control center. So from here focus mode and click here. Do not disturb mode is turn on. Do not disturb mode, then turn off again. So then third solution, you have restart your iPhone. So you have volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed and your mobile is restart from here. So then another solution, you have restart all settings on your iPhone. So you have open the setting and scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then click on reset all setting, click here, and then iPhone given a passcode, and then you have enter on your password, then passcode, then 5 to 10 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed. And do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset setting on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have again open the setting and click on sound and haptics. So then you have click on text tone, then you have uh, text tone alert tunes check if the alert tab is set to none. So I have already not, and then you have select of none, and then your problem will be fixed. And last solution, you have go back, then from here, then you have update iOS latest version. So you have again open the setting, click on general software update. So click here, and then iOS latest version available, you have must be installed on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. So do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.